Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Khushi and you're watching me doing my makeup today. And I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm gonna do a very soft glam makeup look. Starting off with my eyebrows, I'm just gonna get into the video because I don't have much introduction clips. So I'm just gonna take a micellar water from Garnier. It's oil infused. So I'll just shake it to mix the oil and we'll take it in a tissue paper and then wipe my face with it to like remove any dirt or any dust if there is any. Yeah. Okay, I'm a very clean girl and I just washed my face. Now I'm using Cetaphil moisturizer. It's a bit heavy on the face in summers because like it's really sweaty and my skin gets really oily in summers. But I did not have any other moisturizer, so I had to use this one only. Then I'm just gonna apply it all over my face. Yeah, just like that. Now I'm gonna take Maybelline Fit Me primer. It's also dewy. I don't recommend this in summers because it's already very sweaty. I didn't have any matte primer, so I had to use this one only. It's okay. Let's just see how it's gonna go. Okay. You can see my forehead is also very shiny right now. No, I don't have a glass skin. It's just my skin. So I'm gonna take now Krylon ka Derma palette. So I'm gonna color correct my skin from this palette using a orange shade, a dark shade and a light shade. So I'm gonna take all this in little amount and mix all this in this palette of mine. And I will use my fingers also to blend this because it's a wax based product and like I use my finger to melt this product and then I'm just gonna apply it on my dark circles and on any pigmentation if I have, like I do have, if yeah. So I'm just gonna apply it. I'm taking a concealer brush also. Now I'm just gonna apply it under my eyes, around my mouth and on my forehead. कोई ऐसा एरिया बचा नहीं है वैसे जहाँ मैंने नहीं लगाया हो, but I get, to be very honest, my eyes are really weak and I'm not wearing any lenses and I can't wear my specs obviously while doing my makeup, right? So it's just me, my weak eyes and my phone, like my phone camera, मतलब उसी से मैं रिकॉर्ड कर रही हूँ एंड वहीं पे मैं देख के अपना पूरा मेकअप कर रही हूँ. So yeah, I didn't have any mirror with me. I could use my eyeshadow palette mirror, but I had to show also what I'm doing, right? So I'm just trying to blend it out completely. Yeah, just blend it out, remove it, drag it. Just kidding. Now I'm gonna take two foundation. One is Cheesecake Forever 52 ka and the other one is Brownie from Forever 52. I knew at this point कि मैंने काफ़ी ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट ले लिया है, like 3 to 4 pumps ले लिए हैं and it's too much for my face and now I will be just silly and stupid and yeah, this is what I'm doing. Yeah, let's leave it on God and let's see what happens now. Now I'm just being stupid. Yeah. Okay. God have mercy. Okay. So I'll be just applying this like a freak, which I am, and I'm gonna use now a flat brush. Now you're getting a flat brush, bitch. Okay, don't use the B word. Okay. So now I'm just gonna apply my foundation. I'm gonna spread it evenly on my skin and then I'm using my fluffy foundation brush and then I'm applying it all over my face. Now I'm using this Sugar ka contour stick in the shade 02. Okay, I like the product, okay, but I don't like this packaging. मतलब ये कहीं गिरा नहीं, कुछ नहीं, बट इसका ढक्कन वक्कन फिर भी टूट गया। And I have to use it like this, like very carefully. I kept it aside so that it doesn't ruin other products, right? This is a good product, but the packaging is a bit low, I would say, so I don't recommend it. And at this point, I have no idea what I'm doing. I should have taken a very small brush and then do it, but I don't know what I did. I'm doing this makeup after a very long time. Yes, now I'm using Maybelline. No. I'm using L'Oreal concealer in the shade, I think 312 it is. It's like a bit light, so I use it as a, light concealer or highlighter, we can say. Then I'm just using it on my forehead to make it bright. The bridge of my nose, my under eyes, my cheeks, to sharpen up my cheeks also I'm using that. And yeah, I applied it on my eyelid as well, right? I did that. So yeah, I'm just blending it all right now. I hate it myself at this point, but I'm hoping that blush will save it. Blush will save my uh, okay, so I just take 2 pumps of this blush. I think it's Mars का blush or ऐसा कुछ नाम है इसका. Now I'm just taking my blush brush and I'm applying it all over my cheeks. I love using blush. I think it saves entire makeup, or it can also ruin your makeup if you use it in a very horrible way. So either you can just, like, I don't know, learn how to apply your blush, okay? So yeah, yes, now I'm taking K Beauty का loose powder in the shade translucent, and I was very scared to not get it into my eyes, right? तो मैंने आंखें बंद कर ली थी, and I don't know why I'm laughing. Okay, now I'm applying it all over my face. I'm not using any, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, compact powder or anything, because I don't want my makeup to be like very powdery, like very thick. I want a little dewy effect, so that's why I just used a loose powder with a fluffy brush. Now I'm taking this Swiss Beauty का eyebrow palette and I'm just filling in a little gaps in my eyebrows, right? Because my eyebrows are like naturally good. I'm naturally blessed with good eyebrows, but I still don't know how the hell to do my eyebrows. Like, I don't know, I just feel like I can't do my eyebrows. I don't know how to shape them. Like, they're already shaped. I don't know. I don't know. Let's just leave it like that. I think my जितना भी I concentrate on my eyebrows, I think they're getting worse and worse. So I don't know what I'm trying to do. I think I'm filling the gaps. Okay, now I'm taking the same translucent powder and I'm applying it all over my eyelids. Sorry, to prepare them for the eyeshadow. Now I'm taking Be Perfect का Carnival palette. Look at the shades. Amazing palette if you're into colorful shades for your eyes. Apparently, I'm not the one for colorful shades for my eyes. Like, I love them, no offense, I love them. But I think I am going to need a neutral palette as well. So right now I'm just taking 2 brown shades, mixing them and concentrating on my crease. So I'm just cutting my crease right now. Yeah, I'm trying my best. You can see. Yes, I'm trying really hard. Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm just blending because eye makeup is all about the blending game, right? Okay, now I took a prettiest red shade and I'm gonna apply it on the outer corner of my eyes. I don't know what I'm doing, but this shade was looking pretty, like pretty as flowers, right? So I just applied it and I'm liking the shade. You can just see it on my face, right? Yeah. Then I took like it's a shimmer shade. It's called Vanilla in the palette, in the same palette, and I'm just applying it on the inner side of my eyelid, and it's just looks so pretty. Like अंदर से थोड़ा सा shimmer shimmer, and then outer side पे dark poppy red color. It's looking really pretty. Now I'm taking my blush palette. Um, yes, it's a really good palette. It has all the shades. It has pink, it has peachy shade, it has mauve shade, it has a little brownish and plus pink and peach shade. So it's all in one good palette. I'll just list down all the products in the description box. Now, this is a Swiss Beautica lip liner I'm using right now to just line my lips, and I'm realizing that it is really light on my lips, so I just need to get a little darker lip liner too, and I'm gonna do that in a little while. Okay, Khushi. hmm This is looking good, but I need something which will look more vibrant, right? This is a good peachy shade. I'm gonna comment down, not comment down, I'm just gonna write it in the description box. And here we are, here we have our, sorry, here we have our, I got a little excited. So, come on, I have my brown lip liner. I'm gonna outline my lips, and uh, today I just like was very unlucky with the lip liner. I was messing it up bar, and now I'm just trying to concentrate. Oof. Okay, you can see it's messing up too much. I'm trying my best for it to be perfect. Oh god, I was so annoyed at this point. Okay, I'm just trying my best for my lips to look perfect. Okay, now I'm taking the same lip liner. Now I'm taking a clear gloss. You can see I did not apply any lipstick on my lips. It's just two lip liners and my clear lip gloss. And it was looking absolutely gorgeous. I mean, look at this perfect brown, nude, a little bit peachy, and glossy lips. I love this. Now I'm gonna take my Ofraka highlighter palette. This is perfect. This is so pigmented. You will know why I'm saying it is so pigmented. Just wait. Okay, yeah, I'm highlighting my highlighting zones, which is my forehead, my nose. See how much pigmented this is, right? On my cupid, like I don't know, cupid bow, but then you get there. Right. So now I'm applying highlighter on the I don't know, face. Okay, so now I will try my best to look pretty and show off my makeup, but for some reason I can't do so because it's so hot and humid in Delhi. And I don't know, I was trying my best to show off my makeup and look pretty, but I don't know, close up se dekh lo. The makeup was done pretty decent, but I don't know, my camera, my phone is not doing the justice because I don't have the best phone in the world, right? It's a pretty decent one. Like, I love my lip combo here, and my base was looking pretty dope at the end, and I do love my eyes as well. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon. Bye bye.